A conversation between two friends about their hobbies. Hi Tanisha.
Hey, how are you?
I am good, what about you dear?
I am fine. Thank you.
Hey, I want to know about your hobby. What's your hobby?
My hobby is gardening. Thanks for asking.
Oh, that's cool. So have you got any garden in your house?
Yes, I have a small one. My husband is helping me to make it larger.
This is an inspiring this. What types of plants you have there now?
Mostly, I have flowers, and now I am trying to seed some vegetables too.
That will be great. You can collect some fresh food items from there.
Yeah, so what's your hobby?
My hobby is book reading. I love reading books a lot.
Oh really? So, who is your favorite writer?
I recently read 2 books of Chetan Bhagat. I am liking him as the best writer in the current generation.
I have read his book, Half Girlfriend, a couple of weeks ago. He is an amazing writer.
Yeah, indeed. I have got a little family library in the house where I have a good collection of books.
That's inspiring a lot. Good to know, Neha.
Thank you. I am also pleased to learn about your hobby.
So, thanks for your time. I have to go now, see you later.
Yeah, me too. Take care. Bye.